Matagal na ako hindi nagvi-video. Tama lang, di ba? Bakit ako parang hindi nagvi-video? Ilang months na yun? Kasi bata pa lang ako. Di ko pa.
Meron ako ni Adak. Tagalog siya, tinan mo. Ay. Yes po.
Yes po.
Sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I'd like to address the video you've just seen. My wife, Audrey, is trying to make me jealous. Yes, I was aware of the mailbox. In fact, I let it happen. It's done. The whole video is online. I also use a divorce statement for you. You're officially messed up with each other. No one can accuse you of cheating now. Wait, is Warburton Mr. Clemens' wife? I thought the postal address was fiance.
Looks like Cecilia's the one who's been interfering. Cecilia Wilson, what do you have up your sleeve now? No, it's all lies. Cecilia, tell them. I know. I know it's true.
Ay!
Talk about this.
You should have assumed it was you. That's on me. What do you want to talk about?
Us.
If this is you trying to
Bro,
convince me not
bakit
to
ayaw
divorce
mo
you,
pa ako papasukin?
there's nothing left to say.
There's nothing between Cecilia and I.
This doesn't matter to me.
Hindi naman niya alam ako, di ba?
You can't leave her alone.
Balik lang ako doon sa apartment ko. Babalik ako sa bahay ko.
She's not a worse person. She wouldn't just leave this behind.
When I get out of here, you're all gonna pay.
Look, you're ready, sweetheart.
Kuya, pinangalan ko yung hearse ko. 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 Kuya, pinangalan ko nga yung hearse ko. Alam mo kung anong pinangalan ko sa hearse ko? Ano? Harley's new friend. Harley's new friend. Bago kong feeling.
You say she decided to back yourself.
I know. Mali. Pero horse. Alam mo. Horse.
5 years ago, Audrey saved me, not Cecilia.
I love you.
Cornell, I'm so worried. I just saw Audrey leaving. I hear everything you did to save her.
Was it you who saved me?
Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Oh, serious right now, my brother. There you go. I think you there. Ito, turuin mo na. Turuin mo na. Turuin mo na. Betray me. How did my friend betray me? Why did you 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 betray me? Baban ko na lang siya sa bahay ko.
Pinapapasok kita kanina?
Ha?
Pinapapasok kita kanina.
Nung umalis ako, gamit
Pinapa-
hearts ko, tawag Harley's new friend. Ay, bakit mo binan?
Ay, sorry.
Bakit mo binan?
Sorry.
Sabihin mo na lang sorry. Baka sabihin niyo breakup. Teka, sabihin mo SO.
Sabihin mo na.
Hindi, mamaya. Nung nakita mo siya?
Pag makita ko siya.
Hindi ko naman kita. Sabi mo na.
Hindi pa. Saan siya?
Sino nagsabi nun?
Saan siya? Sa bahay ko.
Nag-leave. Sorry. Sorry.
Rumor has it the CEO of Maple Group will attend. If I can secure the Maple Hotel deal, Cornell will have no choice but to see me in a new light. Mr. Adam, you're here too? It's a pleasure to have you here.
It's Maple Group's
Sorry.
covenants. Audrey, you are the CEO.
At guys, may nakasasabihin sa iyo. Nakalimutan ko sa kaso lang. Nandito ako kasama ni Yano TV. Nandito ako kasama ni Yano TV. Yung papa niya sabi, huwag na mag-video kasi bata pa kami. Anyways, bye. Wait. Perfect.